Alright guys, what's up? We're back at home in my driveway with the white Trans Am thing. I already got it all up on jack stands. She's nice and secure. I shook it for like 5 minutes, so she shouldn't be going anywhere. But as you know, the transmission is gone and all the harnesses. So I just need to finish tearing this thing apart. So we just need to finish tearing this thing apart because this project has run on nickel and diming the crap and getting every dollar I can out of this car because parts ain't free. And I'm broke, mostly. So, I'm going to finish tearing this car all the way down to a shell so we can get every dollar out of it possible. So, let's get these wheels off, get the rear end out, get the rest of this front structure apart. Then I'm going to get everything listed that I don't have listed already. Alright, let's do some things. Okay, wow. That one's on there good. Wow. Alright. So we'll come back to that one before we break my impact. Got all 4 rims off. Not too bad. Thought that rear one was going to be even worse, so. Alright, let's get this rear end out. Alright guys, there it is. We're in. We got her out. Sorry about that, my camera stopped recording. But I got her out. Here she is. So one less thing to worry about. I'm gonna put this sway bar back on. So I'm gonna sell it as one whole unit. Okay, well, that's it for that. Table for 12 bucks. Nice. That's the last one. Fudge. Fudge, dude. I'm gonna pull this throttle cable out. Right? There. Got it. I'm taking these fender brackets off. Alright guys, we're running out of daylight and it's gonna storm, of course, because it's the Midwest. So we got the rear end out, got the hinges off. I finally got the damn HVAC unit, throttle cable out. Oh, got the panhard bar out. Gotta get the LCAs out and these front brakes off. And the power steering off, the rack, and this foam coolant reservoir and washer reservoir, and that'll pretty much do it for this shell. And then once I get all that stuff sold, I'm gonna haul this thing off or try to sell it. It's got a title. Maybe someone will want the shell or just the title, who knows. But either way, that's what we're doing next. Just continue to tear this thing down. And so, as soon as we're done tearing this thing down and selling everything, then we're going to pull the maroon car up, repeat the process, turn that thing into just an empty shell, and start fresh. Because I'm going to build that thing from the ground up with all the parts from this car. But to do that, I need to buy parts which means we have to slowly tear this down to slowly sell everything. So that's why it's going to take a while, guys, but hopefully you can bear with me and continue to follow me on my journey. But we're done for the day, so let's pack it in, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.